Good afternoon, students. So last day we have learned about HTML. This much we have learned that what is HTML tag, what is head, what is body, and how many H tags are there. We have learned up to this. Today let's run the code and see. Whenever I'm running the code, by just simply by clicking on Go Live button, you will see my code is being displayed over here. Now this is my code. So that's how I have made this website. Let's take example of another website. Let's take example of Flipkart. Just 1 minute. For some Flipkart. Okay. Let's click on the link. Now I have here, this is my website, this is a website of Flipkart, as you can see. Let's search here for iPhone. Search it. So how much price it is showing? 1,48,900 rupees only. So that's how this website is made. Can we modify it? If we know HTML, we can modify the price. How? Simply click on inspect. Now this will show me the entire code of this website. See, now here you are able to see this website. This website is actually made out of this many codes, this many lines of codes. Let's try to understand. Let's try to Apple to okay. Where is the price? Let's take this inspection tool. Let's go here and click on the price. Let's make it. Make the change. Just minimize it. Now you can see here. So now you can buy Apple 15 Pro Max for rupees 1 only. How I am able to do it? Because whatever you are able to see over on this page, everything is made out of HTML. And if we can play around with HTML, we can change this value. If I want, I can change the image. If I want, I can change anything. So everything, whatever you are able to see on the screen, everything is coming from my HTML code like this. Got it? Now let's try to make our own website. Last day we have learned the heading tags and paragraph tags. Today we shall be learning more. So let's give the heading. Let's give the heading. Deleting it. Let's give a heading of list, HTML list. We shall be talking about list. List. Now we have two kinds of list. One list is ordered list, another list is unordered list. Let's have some examples of ordered list and unordered list. If you take this example, there none of the list items the order is mentioned. If I just change the order, it will not affect the list, right? Because 1 2 3 4 is not written. But if any of the list 1 2 3 4 is written, like this one, to-do list, so I am mentioning that which task I have to do at first, which task I have to do second, which task I have to perform at third. So I am mentioning the order over here. That's why it is an ordered list. In ordered list we have the order first, second, third, fourth, like that. And in unordered list we don't have the orders. Instead of order we have the bullet points, so we can change the order at any time we need. First of all, let's make a ordered list. For that we shall use a tag called OL. OL means ordered list. So you have to make an opening tag and a closing tag for OL. It will indicate the computer that this is the ordered list. Now in the list we have multiple list items. For list item LI. Now inside that I want to write item 1. This is item 1. And the next one is item 1, item 2. Let's see what happens. Let's save it. Alt tab. Where is my see, have I mentioned this 1 or 2 by myself? No. HTML is mentioning it by itself, right? Why? Because I have mentioned the list is an ordered list. By default in ordered list the number starts from 1. If I want I can modify it. This ordered list take another value. Those values are known as attributes. Most of the tags have their attributes. Attributes are like certain values which define certain criteria. Like if I want to talk about the students, let's suppose I want to talk about Ankon. Ankon's complexion is fair. So which kind of complexion Ankon is having? Fair complexion. So this complexion is an attribute. Which kind of? Fair. That is the value of that particular attribute. In OL we can mention an attribute called start, which will define the starting point of your list. I am telling start equals to 5. Let's save it, run the code. See, it is starting from 5. If I want to change it, let's change the type. This is another attribute. Attributes we have to keep inside the bracket of your opening tag, and then we have to give a equal sign, and the attributes that we have to write inside double quotation. Got my point? Like A. If I save it and run it, you will be able to see it. It is starting from E because we are starting from 5. And we have mentioned that I don't need 1, 2, 3, 4. Instead of that, I need A, B, C, D. If I want Roman numbers, that also I can create from here, like I. See, now it is in Roman numbers. As many items as you will add. Suppose I am copying and pasting it on. Copy and paste. Then also, as has copied and pasted the same item, then also it is taking different index because this is the ordered list. In case of unordered list, if I suppose I want to make it an unordered list, what should I do? Just go here and instead of OL, just put there UL. UL means unordered list. Okay, and in unordered list, as we don't have any kind of numbers, so the start and the type, the start doesn't have any role. See, everything is round bullet points, but these bullets are of different types. Now this is a circle, disk. I can change the type to circle. Right here circle, save it. See, now previously it was filled, now it is not filled, it is just a circle. I can make it a square. nowadays in squares. So that's it for today's class. You have to learn how to create a list, how to create an ordered list, unordered list, how to change the type of the list, how to start the list from a different number as per our needs. That much you have to learn. And at the end of the class, if you have seen the entire video, you have to comment your name and roll number so that I can mark your attendance in the attendance register. Okay, thank you class.